What's going on, y'all? It's Plainly Bitcoin, back with another video, educating y'all on Bitcoin, showing y'all, proving, giving y'all reasons that Bitcoin is the future, that you need to invest, because fiat is not looking too good. Inflation ain't coming down. You need a hedge. You need a real savings account. Bitcoin is that savings account that you need, where your money will gain more purchasing power, means it will go up. Bitcoin is only going to go up from here, y'all. Yes, it's going to be volatility, but if you ask anybody if they held Bitcoin for 2 to 4 years, they have made money. Really, 3 to 4 years, even 2 years. Wait, I'm pretty sure 2 years also, but you have to hold on for 3 years. Like, unless you come in, at a certain amount of time, it's at a certain time, which is that time is like right now. Because if you invest right now, and then in 1 year from now, just this particular time, because this time we're like in a bull market right now, you will make money if you invest right now, and then in a year you'll make money. But it's not normally like that. You usually see a downtrend for a couple years, but we might not ever see that again, because now institutional investors are here. There's different money that's in the market now. We're still early. This is a way to opt out. The stock market is leveraged up. You need to opt out that system. Real estate is leveraged up. We don't really know the true price of houses and these stocks. There's too much money in them, because people just put their money straight into stocks when they have extra money, because they know that fiat is DEAD. And this is just another way to prove to y'all in an article that Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is the real deal. And in this article, I'm gonna explain to y'all the value of taking your Bitcoin off of exchanges and self custody, which is owning. That's how you truly own Bitcoin, is where you put it in a Bitcoin wallet, like on your phone or another device. So let's get into this article, y'all. Bitcoin on exchanges falls to a new low and may signal a major price spike. A record low amount of Bitcoin on exchanges indicate a bullish trend, potentially leading to new all-time highs. Bitcoin's presence on centralized exchanges has hit a historic low, signaling a shift that could set the stage for a significant price surge. Austin Arnold, host of Altcoin Daily, recently highlighted this critical development, suggesting that this trend might indicate a bullish future for the leading cryptocurrency. Arnold pointed out that the sharp decline in Bitcoin's presence on exchanges is a strong indicator of a bullish market. When investors move their Bitcoin off exchanges, they are typically signaling an intent to hold rather than sell. Listen, y'all. This movement of Bitcoin into cold storage suggests that holders are confident in the asset's long-term value and are not looking to liquidate in the near future. So cold storage is taking your Bitcoin off exchanges and putting on these little devices like ledgers, or I forget the name of the other ones, but there are ways for you to actually own your Bitcoin. You get these devices, and then you write down these seed phrases. There's these 12 words, or sometimes they're more. And but then it's up to you to keep. You have to keep track of these words. You have to write them down on a piece of paper, and you have to keep track of them and don't lose them. Because if you lose them, then you lose your money. So that's the risk of taking your money off of exchanges. Keeping your money on exchanges is risky because you never know what could happen to the exchange. The exchange can go bankrupt, or someone can hack the exchange. It's really not likely. Like if you feel like that you're gonna lose it, then if you don't feel like you're confident, or it's up to you. Most of the time exchanges like Coinbase is the most legit coin place to get and hold your Bitcoin in the U.S. because it's FDIC insured. So if something happens to your money on Coinbase, they'll give your money back just like a bank would if something happens. So it's up to you. It's how hard you want to go in the paint. With Bitcoin. All right. The data backing this trend comes from CoinGlass, a reputable blockchain data aggregator. Arnold explained that following a recent dip where Bitcoin briefly dropped to just under 50,000, a swift recovery to around 60,000 occurred as investors quickly bought the dip. This rapid bounce back indicates that the selling pressure may have been exhausted, leaving the market ripe for a potential supply shock. Listen, y'all. Arnold emphasized that institutional interest in Bitcoin is at an unprecedented level. For the first time, large entities are not only buying in, but are also required to disclose their purchases. This transparency reveals a steady accumulation of Bitcoin, further reducing the available supply on exchanges. While not every buyer needs to disclose their holdings, the visible trend is clear. Bitcoin is being moved off exchanges in significant quantities. Remember, y'all, Bitcoin is scarce. If Bitcoin is in demand, the price has to go up. Bitcoin is scarce. It's capped at 21 million. There will never be more. You can't print more like you could print more fiat. That's the reason why inflation happens, is because they print more fiat anytime they want. They have no choice at this point to print fiat. If they want the economy to stay afloat, they have to print money. And then, so that's always going to happen. More dollars are going to be circulating, and things, price of goods and services are always going to go up. They might go up slow, but they're going to go up. Don't bank on them to come down. That's why you need a hedge like Bitcoin. You need an uncorrelated asset that's not tied to any of this. Money goes into Bitcoin, the Bitcoin price goes up. Supply and demand, y'all. There's not that much Bitcoin. There's a lot of demand for Bitcoin, so the price has to go up. That's just business. That's just logic. All right, y'all. This decreasing supply on exchanges, coupled with continued institutional buying, which means big banks, people with a lot of money buying, institutional buying, sets the stage for what Arnold predicts could be a major price increase as supply tightens and demand remains strong. The market could experience a supply squeeze, driving Bitcoin's price beyond its previous all-time highs. Arnold forecasts that this could propel Bitcoin to new heights, possibly surpassing the $100,000 mark in the future. I'm telling y'all better learn about this. Y'all better learn about this, man. That's gonna do it for this video, y'all. Thanks for listening. Like the video, subscribe. Please subscribe, man. Please subscribe. Please like. Leave a comment. All that good stuff, man. All right, y'all. To the next one. I'm out, man. Be blessed. Bless up. Peace.